guys, Richard here. Welcome back to the bar. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious cocktail, the Southside. Before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all our new content. Like with so many cocktails, it can be hard to trace its origin. We're quite comfortable to say that it was created somewhere in the early 1900s. We do know that it was the house cocktail in the 21 Club in New York during the Prohibition era. A similar version to this drink was also served in Southside Chicago in the 1930s. This would have been an area controlled by Al Capone and his gang at that time. The best way to explain this drink is like a gin daiquiri with the addition of fresh mint. Clean, super delicious. This is a must-try cocktail, guys. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start by chilling my glass. And today I'm working with a Nick and Nora glass. It's a shake and drink. Gonna work with my Boston shaker. Gonna start with 50 ml of dry gin, 25 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 15 ml of our 2-to-1 sugar syrup. So at the moment this is basically a gin sour. What I'm doing now is I'm taking some nice fresh mint leaf. I'm gonna pick 6 mint leaves. Just roll them up lightly in my hand, give them a little slap to release the oils, and give this drink a really hard shake. Remove the ice. Important to fine strain this drink to remove all the little green bits from the mint. So we've got this beautiful light green color. And to garnish, I'm just gonna pick 1 big mint leaf and just quite gently there put it on the side of the glass. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Southside. So clean, so delicious. Enjoy.